Can we grab it?
In the cabbage.
Eye? Yeah, the eye cabbage. Which one is that? I can't see. No, I can lost it. What is this? Because they're spending the time today instead of doing the exam to do more for the lab. But we're not doing this for lab. Yeah, we are now. No, it's supposed to be 13 to 15 for the lab.
No, she changed it.
Yeah.
Maybe she changed it to
Because we're not doing an exam today.
We're gonna add special census to the lab exam, right?
Second?
Are we gonna add special census to the lab exam?
No.
I thought we were.
Let's put this one back.
And for next year, let's do special census.
Yeah, but if you have eyeballs, you have tissues. I mean, I guess that would help.
Just keep it for now. No.
Yo, I hate this. Dude. We need to get like a map.
Okay, you have an arm? Let's find branches, so brachial plexus. As they line the actual arm. The brachial plexus is actually coming
Yeah, the thing's
out of
missing
the
stuff.
spinal nerves, and then we get all those the roots, trunks, divisions, alright, cords, and now let's go through the branches, which are the main nerves. It's all about innervating the pectoral girdle and the upper limb. Okay? So let's find these in the upper limb. Because then you can either see the brachial plexus drawing in the left from the latino foot or an arm. Okay? And we're gonna go over to the, let's go to the green guy and see things there as well. Okay?
What color is it?
Brachial plexus, we can see the trunks, divisions, and the cords. So we're gonna go find those over there. But right now, let's go down the arm and look at the branches. Right, here we go. There you go. Find that on the arm.
Auxiliary.
Right here.
Come behind you guys.
Okay. Auxiliary nerve is
Yeah,
Numbers on it?
auxiliary.
Okay, find that. How we wanna put that in anatomical position?
You got it. Take.
MD1.
She said take it out.
Take it out.
Just look at it in anatomical position.
Let's take off all this stuff.
And then we can find next musculocutaneous. Now musculocutaneous always tucks under the muscle
Can we move the ball for you?
thoracobrachialis. Remember that muscle? Musculocutaneous always tucks in underneath it.
Auxiliary.
71 is on that. See that one?
Medial nerve.
Median nerve is here.
Ulnar nerve.
This is written down somewhere. Probably not.
Numbers on median nerve.
I'm remembering it, so.
And then the ulnar nerve is here. Alright, so 69 is on ulnar. So we have axillary, musculocutaneous, and we can just go in the
Axillary,
a nice
mus-
proper order.
medius, ulnar.
Axillary,
Axillary,
ulnar,
ulnar,
median, musculocutaneous.
muscular.
Axillary, ulnar, median, musculocutaneous.
Okay. Axillary,
So let's see radial nerve someplace else.
okay. Axillary, ulnar, medial, muscular.
Find those, see them, touch them, name
This is
them, say their
axillary?
names
Yeah.
out loud in a nice
Was
pattern.
this also
Right, right,
axillary?
right.
Is this also axillary?
No, this is axillary.
What's this one?
This is ulnar. Then this one median.
Oh, this is medial. This is ulnar.
Yeah, right? Median.
This is
Ulnar, median,
And musculocutaneous.
muscutaneous system. 71? Yeah, it goes right there.
71 is axillary. God.
72 right there.
This is axillary.
Yeah.
Yeah, axillary. Say axillary, ulnar,
I just got that
medial,
right.
median.
Okay, let's head on down,
Axillary,
find the radial
ulnar,
nerve,
median.
the arm. So as we travel down the arm, we can follow the median nerve all the way down.
This one.
So that's 70 on it, it comes all the way down. You can follow the ulnar nerve all the way down as well.
Wow.
The numbers on ulnar,
What is 59?
59.
69, all the way down is ulnar.
No,
Artery.
is that 59 or 69? That's 69.
70 is median, all the way down. You can take off those muscles and see them travel. See the nerves travel, take the
Okay.
muscles out of your way.
Axillary, ulnar, medial, muscutaneous.
Yeah, axillary,
Then go
ulnar,
find
median,
supinator.
musculocutaneous.
Find that muscle, you remember supinator?
Radial, look for radial.
Because the
look for
radial
radial.
nerve is
Supinator.
right
Then this
there.
other
73. Radiator. This is radial. Radial. The same radial.
Which one does yours have? 73, right?
Now what's 77?
77. Oh, yeah, 73. So split to 73.
73.
Right there.
74.
What's 77?
74.
It's the
It
radial
does
nerve.
branch, but we aren't worried about the branches for us. All we're worried about is right there. So you have a 73,
Only care about 73.
okay? For, at least for our, practical. We'll
What's the
stop
62?
at the radial nerve itself for
62
our
is
lab
your
practical, and we won't worry about its branches,
superficial palmar branch of radial
Okay.
artery.
which are in our lecture. Its branches are later. Okay? Okay, that's brachial plexus down the upper limb, the branches.
Mhm.
Okay, let's go to the lumbar plexus. Okay, so here we are looking at the nerves that arise from B12, and then the first few of the lumbar nerves, or spinal nerves. And gonna head down to their branches, to its branches, and find these nerves. Iliohypogastric, ilioinguinal, genitofemoral, lateral femorocutaneous. And then the femoral, and then obturator. Okay, the way that we can remember this is, I hope I get lasagna from Omar. Hopefully can help you remember the name. I hope we all have gastric. I, ilioinguinal, get genitofemoral, lasagna, lateral femoral cutaneous. Get all that in its name. And then femoral and obturator. So again, this is coming from now the lumbar plexus.
From this, from, okay.
And we see that after the brachial plexus in our manual, you see we have just on that picture at least, there's just 2 columns we need to worry about, right? And again, I would list on my sheet for lumbar plexus, list, manual
Such a
survey,
tough
L1,
thing, can't bring
column
people's
1,
quizzes.
or I don't even know what I was doing, but I would just list L1, L2, L3,
Yeah, L
L4.
what is that burning?
And then the only other column there, there are the names of the nerves, right? Which I'm not going to write all out. Okay? So that if I see this picture in front of me and nothing is labeled on that picture, but there's an A. Everybody looking in their manual?
Yes.
The lumbar plexus, where L2 is, if you see an A there,
Go back.
then I would tell myself, okay, that's 1, 2, down column 1. So I'm gonna go to my 1, 2 on column 1 for me. And maybe that's what I would call this, column 1, and I'll know that that 1 means column 1, and I know this means column 2. That is telling me that that picture, the lumbar plexus, only has 2 columns of information, right? And if I see down column 2, if I see everything is gone, but on that 4th one down, I see a beep. I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4 down on my column 2 list, and I better have lateral cutaneous written down. And actually put femoral in between lateral and cutaneous off of that lumbar plexus on your manual. You see how it says lateral cutaneous? Put a femoral in between those two. Okay, we'll do that now so that we don't accidentally, put the wrong name on. But you see how this is how I would handle it. Those pictures.
Did you put from
And maybe just like that for all of them. Brachial plexus, I would have drawn out a label on my cheat sheet. The other one, I do it like this. Don't draw that. You don't have to draw all that. But I would definitely do it like that.
So we have femoral?
Follow me.
Lateral
Okay.
femoral?
Yeah.
Okay,
Wait, good.
all right. Was there a question? Okay, we ready? Let's go, here we go. All right, let's find our I hope iliohypogastric. It's gonna be on the flat green guy. It is there. Sorry, we only have one on the whole campus. And on one side, there's labels with either numbers or letters. So what is on that? That's a,
What's right here?
So the little one, the outer side is A and the inside is B.
so what's on that one?
A.
So there's an A on there.
Uh-huh.
Iliohypogastric. And then we move in to the next one. Ilioinguinal. Kind of makes this Y together, little Y. So, ilioinguinal's here. I have a label on this side, but it's here, okay? What's on that one?
B.
B. Okay. I hope I get genitofemoral. It's here.
Which
What's
one's
on
that?
there?
What letter's that one? C.
I hope I get lasagna here.
That's D.
Lateral femoral cutaneous. I hope I get lasagna from femoral. That thick one there.
Which one is that one? C? Oh, that one E?
I'm gonna go back really quick. Yeah. So what is on that femoral?
D.
An E?
Oh, for femoral, it's E.
It's down here?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there a number on it too?
Yeah, it says, on the opposite side, it says 40.
Okay. So we're calling it
Oh, maybe
E?
13. Maybe
Okay,
13.
yes, I see a 13. Don't worry about it. E, the E is down here.
Oh, so it's 13.
So is it 13 or
There's
is
a,
it?
I mean, if you wanna keep the letters, or you can put it has a 13 on it and an E, you select what you wanna write down.
So the E's the bottom though, right?
What does it say on the left?
No, we don't have the key to this.
No, it's yours.
Oh, you don't have the key.
Okay?
I gotta check the line.
This is one. Okay, this one.
I did have one that was
Like that though. I wouldn't be surprised if we did
Last
that.
one is here. That was lateral
Oh,
femoral.
it says E at the very
Oh, it is
bottom,
yours.
and this one says
Give it back.
F is 16.
Okay?
I was wondering.
Femoral.
And then we have a F.
I hope I get Lasagna from Omar. Operator is this guy here.
Yeah, that's
F.
So it's A, B.
What a letters? I got A, B, E.
There should be C. Well, it's on there.
Okay, so spend a little time, get seeing those, viewing those, take your own pictures if you'd like.
See, I need A, B, E. I need numbers.
I also want us to remember that the femoral nerve is also here, yellow, next to the femoral artery and vein. The yellow is the femoral nerve in the leg. So note that it is there in the leg too. With the number 48, right? Number 48 on it. The B. Oh.
What'd you get again?
Just take a picture. We'll check
So
that.
what?
Yeah, just basically so.
84. 84 is on the femoral nerve on the leg.
Missing some.
Just basically this one.
Okay, you guys? On the leg, the femoral nerve is number 84.
The which nerve? It's just
Femoral nerve.
Oh, femoral?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me go grab
I
it.
pointed out.
It's 84, not 48? Okay.
And we don't have a key to the flat green guy, which is a bummer. Save us in our muscles.
Okay, we need to gather every model.
Should we go early tomorrow? For it? That's easy. That's how they're done.
So what did she say? 84?
See?
Yeah, 84.
84.
On the arm.
Is there anything you can check on the list? Is it 84?
No, it's wrong. Not wrong on the list.
It's wrong.
Yeah, on the list.
You mean femoral nerve?
Yeah.
No, we don't have a key to this one. Okay, so I don't know what the numbers are intending the label. Okay, so that's the lumbar
84.
plexus. Should we head to the sacral plexus?
Right.
Let's do it.
That's right.
Arising from these spinal nerves.
So for 84.
Big guy here is the sciatic nerve. Okay? Here we have all the other branches as well for us.
The third leg.
This over. Can we get nerves from behind?
Let's see if there's a number.
Sorry, go ahead.
So we'll see the sciatic nerve on the leg, for sure. And here, oh,
Is it one of these ones?
Here's the,
That's good.
yeah.
83, 84 on the side. And then the rest are on this side. 83 is
Sacral. Huh? Sciatic. Yeah.
sciatic.
Sacral plexus. Do we need to know that?
Psychotic nerve.
We don't need to know the sacral plexus, no.
Yeah, we do.
What number is that?
Okay, so it's just telling the numbers are the plexus, so that's 13 over here is the lumbar plexus. That's what it was labeling.
Wait, where's it? 84 right here.
84 right here.
Well, that's easy.
84, that's it. There's nothing under that.
There's no 83?
82 is right here.
Oh. Let's record that.
Then you have 85, let you go down 85, 86.
That's easy. How do you do?
And then 85, 86. And as you go down here, that's it. And then flip it over. Yep.
84.
And then let's check in here.
That's the female nerve.
87, 88. 87, 88.
87 is the deep fibular nerve. 88 is the superficial fibular nerve.
Done.
Alright, we're done. Yeah. Yeah.
Goes in case.
Okay,
Oh,
so
we come on 13.
we won't look at spine sciatic nerve here. This is all the sacral plexus, and it's divided into its different parts according to the key. And this is a part of it, so not the sciatic nerve, but we're gonna go to the leg for the sciatic nerve. So, kinda high up, they stand on that guy there. There's a couple legs here, you will need the leg, let's find the sciatic nerve. Be careful if you stand on that,
These guys are small.
Wait, I think those ones are green gun.
and we'll see pictures of it too.
Yeah, that's fine. If it kills it, I'm fine with that.
Whatever.
You guys don't live long, I'm here for like 3-6 months. No, to actually not good.
Okay,
So that's not
so
fine with me.
sciatic nerve,
Okay, I want a whole ecosystem.
we can even find on
This is
the,
Go ahead, play this.
fella.
Don't play that.
Trunk. Let's see if we have-
Like that, but another.
There it is.
Yeah, nothing good in my life.
It's gonna
Hey, bro, I
run.
had pictures like that. Back in 6th grade, when I went to like sea camp, my mom didn't see it, and when we did water change, the tank crashed. So,
You
and
can
then-
add like macro and microorganisms so it feeds itself. You don't have to feed them.
Yeah, that's why I want to put a lot of
You
plants.
have to add a lot of no. You actually buy that. I'm not sure what it's called. I have to look it up. I mean, if you add dried leaves and stuff, those organisms will start like, reproducing.
They're beneficial bacteria.
Yeah, no. That's not the same.
Not the-
It just comes over time.
Oh,
I'm making some
monkey, sea monkeys? No,
I'll
no,
try to, yeah.
like
Sea
you
monkeys
get
are
more
just-
shrimp in there?
Yeah,
Wait,
because
chickens there.
so putting food in the tank is really bad because you know
That's why I'm gonna barely feed them. I'm gonna feed them every 2 days.
You have a test kit, do you know? Test kit?
Test kit, I'm gonna buy one. The pH, nitrate, all that shit.
When your tank is set, you don't even have to test anything with nitrates. But most people do like so there's fish inside the fish outside. And there's that beneficial bacteria. You don't have to focus on nitrite and ammonia anymore.
So what I'm gonna do is set up the tank, about 1 piece of food cover.
Yeah.
Leave
So
it
sciatic
for
nerve
1
is
to 2
here
months
on this
with
guy
beneficial
here.
bacteria before I
Okay,
place
that's
it.
what that picture is.
I'm probably gonna have to even get the
Sciatic nerve always comes from underneath the muscle piriformis.
Cheap.
This muscle here,
Thick. I'll grab his ass.
sciatic nerve always comes from underneath it. Even on the leg, you'll see that.
You don't know. You go to jail. That's the one line you don't cross.
Okay, so do you see him on the leg?
Psychotic nerve. The
What
big
number is that?
80.
Sciatic, bro.
83 on the legs.
So would that be both of them?
That's the sciatic nerves. Now, on our in the lab manual, we're going to distinguish the sciatic nerve from its 2 divisions. after the sciatic nerve divides into its common fibular and its tibial division, but they're not diverging, right? So we're gonna call the space above the sciatic nerve, okay? So, you guys have purple and yellow, right?
Yeah.
Purple and red. So
That's
it's got
very division.
somebody, one division, who's at the common fibular or tibial, and then you have some red or yellow, right?
The red is the anterior
You
rounding,
guys don't know.
and then the posterior division is the yellow.
So,
These like big ones.
what's the purple, tibial?
Pretty strange.
Anterior division.
It's, yeah, your tangle bone. I'll get that.
So I'm gonna get married on it.
Okay, well, they might fight each other with males. Males tend to be aggressive.
Do they school or no?
School? No. If you want school, get in your tetra.
Mimic that.
You know, Tetris.
I've already forgot who's on the top, common fibular.
Yeah.
I don't want to.
So you guys have yellow,
We,
I'm doing red,
I had
below is
a child
purple,
domination like I had sword tail before they fucking died.
tibial, purple,
Oh, I had a beautiful.
common fibular, yellow.
Take
Everybody see that coming off of the sciatic?
yeah.
I need you to draw a box.
No. Is it this one?
Why it's not like this would be on. We're gonna draw a box kind of up this way, and we're gonna call that the sciatic nerve. And then it would have its branches. Okay?
I can't see it.
Everybody clear? You did that on your manual? Find a space in front of those divisions off the sciatic nerve and box it for yourself. Like where it says sciatic nerve, or where it says sciatic, I would put a box around the purple and the yellow there. Telling myself, that's what we're calling the sciatic nerve.
Like this.
Yep. Box that
So we
space,
don't have
and that's
class
sciatic.
next Tuesday.
No.
Nope.
Maybe even box,
This campus is not open, bro. Campus isn't
and
open.
even box beside the word sciatic with it. Or you can write it. So it's there for you, so it's box sciatic.
So what am I looking at?
And then you see its branches after, which would be nice if they were
This entire
split
thing.
apart. So they
You
are
see
not
how it
on our
splits.
drawing, you see that?
So that's, but these ones we don't even look at. I'm thinking
Can you take Alexis' picture?
see like this one and then it splits or something. I don't know.
Boxed it. Okay, got it boxed?
I'm
Yes.
confused. So this is sciatic nerve.
Mhm.
Are you saying it splits off like here
Yep.
to these ones?
See
The red and the blue one?
Yep,
And then to the front. So it is the red and the blue one.
Okay.
okay,
Open this. That's where we have it. 87, 89.
okay.
Right here. That's not the sciatic nerve, no? No, sciatic nerve is a big ass one right here. Yeah, what is that one? Sciatic really nerve. just, that's the And deep then fibular. common fibular and
So again, in the leg, there's that femoral nerve, femoral, okay, that's in the leg, had an 84 on it, right? Okay, let's go to these branches now off of the sciatic. So on the leg, find that sciatic nerve, take all the buttocks off, you see piriformis, the sciatic nerve is coming from underneath that muscle. Pear-shaped piriformis means pear. See that muscle, sciatic nerve, and then we have its branches.
right here.
So tibial, the tibial nerve, or the tibial division, which is the tibial nerve,
Right here.
is here. Common fibular is next to it.
You find?
Okay, find those numbers on there,
Looks psychotic.
see those things.
And then tibial. What are the numbers? What's the numbers for the common fibular? Actually, word for word, bar for bar? Yeah.
Got your numbers?
Common fibular. You want to come in tomorrow?
I'm gonna come down here.
Yeah, sure, why not?
We'll see, you have a recording of the phone.
Bro, I'm gonna just start putting it.
And 86?
Do one layer opposite. First layer opposite. Then first layer opposite. And on top. And then
If you didn't write down what would happen if the sciatic nerve is messed up, please see the slide in the lecture. That will help you answer those questions. And again, you would have a little bit about these things about the nerves, real short and sweet. You don't have to go in crazy depth, but you can just say one thing that would be wrong. Sciatic nerve, chronic lower back pain.
Yes.
Okay, when you have your information on your cheat sheet for that, for the nerve, a little bit of something like when we did in our manual. Okay, of what would happen if there's something wrong with that nerve. Okay? So keep it short and sweet. Lower back pain, 3 words. Keep it short and sweet. Okay? Okay? There are those. One thing, if the common fibular nerve is damaged, foot drop. Okay? Foot drop. And so, and foot drop is difficulty dorsal flexing when you walk. So lifting the foot upward when we walk is hard to have. Okay? Some people drag that foot, but they can't dorsal flex. Okay? And that's just called foot drop, or cannot dorsal flex, or no dorsal flexion.
I need me one like this.
Got those? Got those down? See those?
I need me one like that.
Good with these?
Like a band-aid.
I want to tap. That's why.
And always note that anything that's dealing with fibular, the fibula bone, fibula, always the side, the most lateral side. So it should be the side of the little toe. That one coming down the side of the little toe.
Raise your tank. Raise your tank.
It's 21 by 20.
How much tank got, bro?
36.
Get like an archer fish. If you fly back.
There's fucking shit you want.
Yeah. No, fibula.
Bro, look at my go sack.
Yeah,
You get this.
yeah, they're nice. What's that bread and
So that can hopefully help as far as that.
I'm probably just gonna check that. I'm just gonna set up everything, right? Oh, wait, and.
I can send you the website.
Hey.
And that shit.
I think I'm spend a full day, bro.
And all that stuff continues to branch, but
Fish,
we
I'm
will
not
not,
fish. I'm
it
gonna do
continues to
my
branch. We're not gonna worry about their branches.
The tank is easy, just get a bunch
So all you need to worry about are these 3.
I'm not really picking
And know how the tubular goes all the way down, and it should be running on the side of the big toe.
This one, on the side of the big toe.
Yeah,
That's a big toe.
it's
Tip on the side of the big toe.
That's where I found the light bulb. I went to
On the
20
tip of the little down.
yesterday. Shit, so
You're not gonna worry about the branches on the fibular nerve.
I'm not getting that one. So
Yeah, I can do that.
And then that's it on the plexuses, right? We went all the way to the sacral
let's
plexus.
go. Finally.
Okay.
Oh, nothing.
What's that?
We done for the day.
We finally done.
We're gonna hold on everything. Make sure we have.
No way we're done.
No, we sure there's more, right? Do you have everything
Cervical
on the
plexus,
spinal
we
cord?
did it last.
I don't know shit.
Yeah, you don't.
Well, cervical
Not until you
plexus
take
is
the
here.
chapters.
One thing that is here is the phrenic nerve. Remember I said that it's lying on the
So
scale.
6 hours to
So
do
phrenic
the
nerve is here.
Fibula is 8.
I go tomorrow night to finish.
So see the phrenic nerve on the flat green guy?
Phrenic nerve.
Phrenic.
I mean, it doesn't have a number.
You're making me confused.
Phrenic. How do you spell it?
R-E-N-I-C.
Okay, so see that phrenic nerve laying on the scalene?
They don't necessarily school. I guess they do, but it's really erratic.
Wait, what was it called? Oh, those.
Any of them.
Yeah.
See the
I thought you
forward
said
that leads
Daniel.
from brachial
Daniel.
plexus? the lateral cord.
I would look for, I would find what fish tastes good. Fucking hate I'm real passion.
So brachial plexus, we can see on the flat green guy as well.
They always stick together.
The divisions are kind of mushed together, but the chords are nice and distinguishable.
Neon tetra.
I got white clouds too. I was hoping in school, but they get separate. Even with the Zambia County, they separate. But they're so interbred neon tetra that it's sad.
And everyone got my announcement that we're gonna move the lecture to after we come back from the holiday. Okay, so that
I'm
we
like
can,
tetras in holiday.
the holiday's taking a day away. Use that day to get ready for our lab practical. If anyone has any hardship, talk to me.
Still the same amount of chapters.
Still the same chapter, we're not adding the sentences yet.
She posted the size rate. She posted the size
This
rate.
is it, this is the end of, for the practical exam and the lecture. Ends here.
Wait, so what kind of fish do you like? Do you like them?
Ends at the tibial nerve and the common tibia. Please see
Yeah, I'm gonna get some.
here, let me put it back up.
Potatoes are gonna eat them, right?
Brachial plexus on the flat green guy,
They're expensive, though.
just the,
If you want to look at shrimp,
those, find these chords over there, the flat green guy.
if you want to. Like,
The lateral cord is the one on
potatoes are the
top.
best shrimp. It depends on how they build up course, right?
Oh my god, I don't know. What am I doing is,
Their value load is held up. Have you used Aqua Advisor?
what you mean I'll put in
So,
there?
so what's
Also,
it
for the
You can
spinal
put
cord,
use a filtration on it, and it'll give you like an estimate of how much you have to water change every week. But of course, it doesn't keep in mind like the balance of it. It's a good way to see how much if your tank is overstaying or not. You know what I mean?
So it's just text me.
Yeah, I can
who has a
And it
spinal
tells me how
cord?
much I need to
Bottle.
change the water.
Yeah. I would consider myself an expert at fish keeping. So I started like 8 months ago because my brother
So
wanted
on
me to
this-
switch. So I learned that all like pretty quick.
I mean, I did all my research back in 6th grade, and I know all, like, whatever I remember from 6th grade. and
I will tell you this, because
So you
I
have field
don't
tanks?
like how, well, on here, this is dura mater, arachnoid mater, and then this little mesh is the pia mater.
That's
Oh, I
it.
thought you did.
But, because I like it how our picture has it, so if I ask about the meninges, it'll probably be via picture, just so you know. But then this other stuff here is asked, I would definitely label up. I see a dorsal root ganglion here. Right after that, there's a ventral and dorsal root merge, straight spinal nerve. That little short span is the big spinal nerve.
Yeah, I'm gonna just
Okay,
copy the
after that, we
slides.
don't get any
Space for
rainbow
lab.
branching,
We
but
pray.
I see the dorsal horn, great dorsal horn, the ventral horn, the lateral horn. Okay, see all that here? And I would see meninges on the picture that looks like what's in your manual. That's where I see the meninges. Cause I don't like them here.
So,
I like them there. I mean, this visually, it didn't write to me.
so the nerve matter is a picture, right?
We're not doing the meninges there, is what I just said, we're not doing the meninges there. We use the picture coming from the manual, because I don't like the way that mono labels it. For brachial plexus, again.
This one. The third one. That's what arachnoid. I thought it was this one.
Like I said, the revisions are here.